Yesterday, small demo I'm telling only. What I'm telling in a previous class. Anybody newcomer, observe it here. 2 minutes only, just. Oracle 19C. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. This 19C is a version. This is a database product. Okay, this is a database product. What type of database? What is that one means? I will tell you. This is a database product. SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, Sybase, so many database products are there nowadays in industry side. But those database softwares are relational database softwares. Those relational data model is a concept is there, don't worry. Based on that one, they are implementing these products. That's why these database products always stores a what structured collection of data. Already I'm telling, not a unstructured data, not a random collection of data does not store. This is a database means it is a place where we can store structured collection of data. So now here structured, organized fashion only data is storing. A table format only data is storing. Already I'm telling in a previous class. Once a structured collection of data is there in a where these database softwares, in a relational database softwares, database means it is a place. Now, so now here, yes, we are operating what this data means. One language we are using, SQL is a language. These are languages only. SQL is a language through we are operating what this data I'm telling. In a Oracle means not only SQL, PL SQL, dynamic SQL, some languages are there. Through that one only we are operating our data in a where this Oracle database. Up to this one, yesterday, small concept I'm telling. But unfortunately, SQL means small commands. Insert, update, delete, select. So many commands are there. Joins, constraints, subquery like that. SQL is a non-procedural language. Loops are not there, variables are not there, conditions, if conditions are not there, those type of programming language techniques are not there. That's why that is the simplest language, non-procedural language. But PLSQL means procedural language extension for SQL. But unfortunately, some students asking, Murali sir, you are telling only operating what these type of database softwares means we are using SQL language you are telling, but why we are learning what PLSQL also? In a project side where we are using what programming language techniques in a where extension of the where. So SQL is a PLSQL no, procedural language extension for SQL actually. Where we are using what this PLSQL they are asking. But unfortunately where they are using means so many users are there. Without PLSQL, we are unable to handle so many real applications. Most powerful concept. Nowadays, SQL injection is there. In that one, always. So now here stored procedure is a concept they are using. Otherwise, suppose you are a first time newcomer. Now observe here. One small demo I am telling. Through that one, everyone understandable. Or maybe really little bit of coding is required or not. Check it out. PLSQL means don't afraid only. Just check. Easy coding that one also. I am explaining what is what means. You are also understandable. Now check it out. Observe it here. Concentrate here. Suppose simple scenario I am telling. Then everyone understandable. I think. Why PLSQL also required me small demo I am telling 5 minutes only. Observe here. Some fellows are asking no question. No, that's why. Now suppose for example. Daily so many fellows are going to bank only. I am also, you are also going to bank. Bank also maintain database. Maybe either Oracle, maybe either SQL Server. We don't know actually. Which bank taking a what, which database, we don't know. Actually, so many fellows are, I am also, you are also going to bank only. You are withdrawing amount or depositing amount or transferring a what, okay, so one account to another account money. So many transactions we are performing. Daily day-to-day transactions automatically stored in a where some place is required, that is a database in a computerized system. Now check it out. Concentrate here. One scenario I'm taking. Suppose small scenario. Actually, screen observe it here. This is a Oracle database. Slowly observe it here. Some place only. Okay, fine. For example, In this one table format only data is there. Slowly observe here. Suppose this is a bank table is there. 1 minute only. Just observe it here. Okay, table format only. In a future, you have an idea. Suppose bank is a table. In this table here, account number is a column, name is a column, balance is a column. For example, okay, fine. Now this is data. So now whatever blue lines I'm writing only here, this is called data only. Here red tick mark, these are called columns. This is a table format, matrix format only, data is there, representation. Now check it out. And now here, yes, here, observe it here. Jobs, SQL also jobs are there, don't worry. And now here, observe it here. Why PL SQL plays a major important role means observe it here. Concentrate, at least small examples. So many nowadays OTP validations, Swiggy of vocation of, so now here sudo code only. Those are all the things, applications, so many applications are. Observe it here. At least one example, lower level I am telling. Suppose this a bank is there. In this bank only 2 account holders are there. For example, these are records. This is a one record. This is a one record only. Suppose 1001 is a account number. My name is a Murali. Okay, for example, my name is Murali only. So now here, yes, my balance is presently 2000 rupees are there. My balance is how much is there? 2000 rupees are there. Slowly observe it here. Okay, fine. Now observe it here. Suppose this is a ATM machine is there, for example. Suppose today I mentally withdrawing some amount. I mentally decided withdrawing some amount from the bank ATM machine through. I'm withdrawing only. For example, okay, fine. But unfortunately, I'm not checking in a balance. My balance is presently in this bank only. One ATM card is there. SBI bank, for example, in a bank only. Now, for example, only one bank ATM card is there. I have only what's now here 2000 rupees are there. My balance. Okay, fine. Now I am going to where, okay, so now here withdraw what amount from the where bank? From the ATM machine, for example, not a bank only, from the ATM machine. I'm going to where ATM machine. Now here I'm inserting a what ATM card. Now I'm inserting a what, okay, ATM card also. I'm not checking a balance. My balance I'm not checking. But which one son of here? Yes, I try to withdraw what some amount. I mentally withdraw what? I mentally decided withdraw some amount only. Okay, fine. Now check it out. I try to withdraw some amount only. Now onwards, you are only telling. Very easy. And now here, check it out. Suppose I try to withdraw 9000 rupees only, for example. Okay, fine. Anything? Observe here. My balance is how much is there after PIN number I am typing only. And now here, yes, my balance is how much? 2000 rupees are there. But I am pressing a what and typing a what 9000 like this 9000 rupees I am typing. My balance I am not checking also. My balance is how much is there? 2000 rupees are there. But I try to decided to withdraw which one? How much amount? Yes, 9000 rupees. Now I am getting a what 9000 rupees? No. Very good. No only. In this case, automatically it will give a what some message. What is the message it will be returned? Very good. Some message it will be returned from the ATM machine. Insufficient funds. Something only it will display or not? Insufficient funds only. It will display some message or not? Yes, here. Insufficient. And now here insufficient funds. Okay, some message it will be displayed. Any message, for example. How it will be displayed? What this message? How ATM machine knows what your available balance is very low. So now here, yes, compared to where your withdrawal amount only, how it will be knows means ATM machine knows these all the things. No. You are only database programmer means you are writing a what programs in this case only. You are writing a what program. So now this message same like a Java, same like a .NET here. PLSQL is a what language is there. Procedure language extension for SQL is there. In this language only, you are writing a what if conditions. Okay, fine. Available your amount, we are withdrawing amount. Okay, so now is a what? So now here, yes, withdrawing amount is more than the where available balance, for example. Then I want to display message here. Some message you have to display. What is the message here? Insufficient funds only, like this. I want to display something. That we are writing the coding, that program is executed because software, so now yes, here programs are executed only. Suppose you are trying to withdraw what here 1,000 rupees means not a problem. Automatically, this 2,000 minus 1,000 only automatically updated is a what? 1,000 or not? Yes, here. Suppose during that transaction also power is gone like that only your transaction because now suppose your amount is never lost. Why? Because they are writing a what exception handling rollback they are using. Cancel the transaction. That much of powerful because all the things are available. Now check it out. Suppose I'm a senior most programmer. Otherwise, you are also PLSQL developer. How you are writing the coding means don't afraid coding only logically. I'm telling. Okay, so now observe here. Actually, this is a bank is there. Those type of transactions. I'm a PLSQL developer means how I'm writing. Don't write it here. Procedure is a concept is there. Don't write it these all the things only. Just my interest purpose. I'm typing something. Observe it only. Oh, maybe so now real-time project side always they're writing some coding only. That is my intention. Now this is a PLSQL code. Don't write it. Create or replace. They are writing like this only. In a project side, you are also okay. So learning a courses means you are also writing. Here withdraw. They are writing. Okay. Otherwise, I am giving a what procedure. Okay, fine. And now here just whatever account number I'm passing only. Okay, fine. Like this, something is there. Again, here amount withdrawal amount. How much amount I'm interested to withdraw? Like that all I'm passing. Now here is here available balance. I want to check like that only. Okay, don't write it. These are all the things you don't have an idea. Now check it out. The senior most programmers, how they are writing means I'm telling only, I'm intimating to you. Here select into class something is there. That balance I want to check here. Balance into here. Balance is a column name. Don't worry. V underscore balance. Now here I select means retrieve the data. These are database coding only. This balance, this account number balance, I'm retrieving only into program. Okay, but this variable, something is there. Now from here, bank is a table is there. And now where account number, this is the way you are writing a what coding. One of these days you are also familiar that DC coding logical, nothing is there. Simple logic only. Daily whatever we are using, same thing only. Now here if now here they are writing like this only P underscore amount, your withdraw amount is here maybe less than the available balance, or now here less than the available balance only, for example, then not a problem. So now here yes here then we are withdrawing only. Changes are affected in a way in your table update table name here set here update table name set something. Okay, fine. Don't try afraid only these all the things. Balance is equal to balance minus amount like this. Where account number is equal to, so now here P underscore account number. Okay. Something is there, don't worry. These are all the things very easy only. Now, suppose here a transaction is successful. I'm interested. The Java side system.out.println is there. No, same like here PLSQL side. Some messages are there. Here in that one transaction successful. I am writing. Okay, for example. Okay, anything just roughly. Suppose otherwise insufficient funds or something I'm typing. You know, that message I want. Observe it here. Now check it out here like this only. Okay, transaction just withdrawal some module I'm writing in a project. It's a small thing because without any knowledge. Insufficient. And now here insufficient funds I'm writing. Okay, yes, here like this. Now here and the space if only okay something is there. Don't worry. These are exception handling very important. Why? Because whenever you are inserting a what ATM card, maybe so what to do at these transactions we are performing middle of the transaction, your ATM machine is gone, power is gone, or anything means your money is never lost. Roll back, cancel the transaction. That's why when error is occurred. And now then roll back they are using. These are all the things you are learning in our courses only. Okay, don't worry, these are easy. This is the way in a real-time project side they are writing coding. These codings don't have right that DC coding, easiest language in a worldwide. Here, okay, you are a first-time newcomer. What is this one? You don't have an idea, but you are little bit of knowledge is there. This is nothing. That's why very easily I am writing here. This is called PLSQL coding. Whenever these codings we are writing, this code is executed whenever we are performing operations. Really, you are a first-time newcomer without any knowledge also. Just observe it here. This coding I am writing. How I am writing? I am checking what bank is a table is there from the where my Oracle database. That bank table through I am whatever account number I'm passing only that account number balance I'm retrieving. Okay, fine. This balance is okay. So the amount is very less. Withdrawal amount is very less than the very available balance. Suppose I try to withdraw 1,000 rupees from this 2,000 rupees. Not a problem. I try to update. Update means here it is affected. Okay. In a table it is not affected. Means you are withdrawing what 1,000 also again remaining 2,000 is there. Banking system is collapsed. Okay. I want to affect this one into a database. Now here otherwise insufficient funds. Maybe you are withdrawing a more amount than they were try to withdraw more amount than the available balance. Insufficient funds. I'm writing a what message. Then problems are occurred. Then roll back the transaction means cancel. Roll back means database technology. Don't worry. Cancel something. Commit, save. So many things are there. Don't worry. Those are all the things. Now check it out. Really that is correctly working or not? Check it out. Just observe it here. Something is there. Don't afraid. These are all the things. Suppose I am a PLSQL developer in a company side, I am writing at this much of coding. For example, okay, one transaction they're asking, I am writing. Okay, fine. Now here, yes, I try to check what that one. Suppose here my account number is 1001. I'm passing. Only output observe it here. What is this one? You don't have an idea also. Suppose I try to withdraw 8,000 rupees, for example. Now observe here, I try to withdraw 8,000 rupees. Suppose ATM card I'm inserting and PIN number, so many things are there, but the execution side I'm telling. This is the amount only 80,000 rupees. I try to withdraw 8,000 rupees from the account number 1001. Suppose here 1001, my name Murali only. My balance is how much? Only 2,000 is there. Okay, if I am a lecturer, no, very less amount only. And now here you are a software engineer means lakhs of rupees only. And now here observe here 2,000 rupees only there. Now, my balance is 2,000 rupees. Now I decided to withdraw 8,000 rupees means what happened? Yes, it does not retro. It will give say what? Which one? Insufficient funds only. Observe here. Insufficient funds is a message. It will be displayed or not? Yes. How it is possible this one? Whenever we are executing this one, yes, this program is executed internally. This one here, it will be checking, or maybe insufficient funds he is writing only. That's why that message it will be displayed or not. Yes, here. Suppose here again, observe here, observe here, concentrate here. Suppose EXCC something is there, don't worry. Here my account number. Now I try to withdraw 500 rupees, for example. Whenever I try to withdraw 500 rupees from this account only, possible. Here my balance is how much? 2,000 rupees are there. Now I try to withdraw here 500 rupees only from that bank only, then automatically that is affected. Yes, our transaction is successful. It will display a message or not? Yes, transaction is successful. It will display a message. Now check it out here. Now really that is 500 withdraw after it is affected in a database or not? Check it out. Yes, here within the what a database. Yes, 1,500 rupees are available or not? Yes. Why? Because already 500 rupees we are withdrawing only. Here 2,000 rupees are there. Yes, here now here automatically 1,500 is available. That's why this type of all the transaction we are performing in your database means some coding is required. Those three languages through we are writing a what some coding means this database operations we are performing. That is important. That is the most powerful. Okay, fine. Actually, suppose, for example, so now here, yes, so many fellows are purchasing items in a way nowadays online shopping portal, suppose Amazon, Flipkart, or anything. In that case, you are purchasing a what items, order ID, order number is okay, son of your automatically unique order number is okay, son of generated only. That number in your parcel also, that number is there. You are observing or not? How that number is okay generated? Compulsory PLSQL or TSQL programmers are writing some coding, then only that number is generated, automatically not generated. That much of powerful. That's why in all real application side, this will be there. Suppose, for example, now check it out. Suppose this is a what? So now here, yes, database. For example, okay, so now you are interested to purchase a one item. Okay, for example. I am opening a what one web browser. For example, slowly observe here. Suppose here www.flipkart.com, for example, in a browser. Okay, this everyone knows. Just observe it here. Why database programmers also requirements. Whenever I am interested to open a what some website only, online web, okay, so now here yes, shopping site only. Flipkart.com, anything, some website I'm opening. Now I'm interested to purchase a one item. But whenever we are browser we are opening means automatically this browser is connected to the where web server. You have an idea? Web servers in a Java, PHP, these type of .NET, these type of programmers are well-known persons, web server. So now here very good. Some technical persons are there in our class only. Those persons very good knowledge in a web server. Again, these web servers does not store large amount of data. That's why these web servers are connected to the where database servers. Database means yes, Oracle, SQL server, these type of data softwares are there. Yeah, so now here these are database servers. These database servers only storing what data? Not. Yes, here everyone knows. Suppose this is Oracle database, SQL server database, DB2 database, something. Okay, fine. Some softwares. Now check it out. This is a database server. Here only data is storing. Here only data is storing, but here these are structured database. That's why the relational database means structured data is there. Now, for example, in this database only table format only data is there. That data daily they're changing what amount only, what can offers, all the things. These details are visible in where here. Yes, in a database only the data is available. Now check it out. For example, observe here. Here order master is a table is there. For example, in a real application. So now order master table is there. Okay. For example, some tables are there. Now check it out. In this table, so much of details are there. Here, order number is there. Order IDs, item name, item ID, okay, so now address. Oh, so sorry. So now here order address. So many details are there. Order ID. So now here item name, like this, date of transaction, all the things on date of booking item, all the things. Item name, okay, price. So many things are there. For example, don't worry. These type of details are there. These are database. Here, this part only we are dealing in a future. Okay, no? Don't worry. Now, just idea purpose. First time non-technical persons are there. That's purpose I'm telling. This is a order number is a what? Primary key. Primary key means unique identification of the record. Duplicate data is not there. Observe here. Suppose now here, observe here. Slowly observe here one logic only. Now here. Why the database programmers are required these type of databases? Why handling means some programmers are why required means so many reasons are there. Now check it out. For example, this application of the I am a customer, for example. I'm interested to purchase a one item. Suppose today I'm booking a what one item, for example. Whenever I'm booking a one item, then this is a web browser connect to the where web server. Web server connect to the where database server. In this database server, this order number automatically generated. This number is automatically generated. So now here some number is generated, some number, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, anything, some number is automatically generated. But how it will be generated, this number means here some database programmers writing a coding only. Auto increment is a concept is there. Generating a primary key values automatically. Some coding is there. I will tell you those things. Suppose here, suppose another customer also in a worldwide, so many customers are there purchasing a what items. Here another customer, okay, so now here you are opening a same website, for example, www.flipkart. Maybe he is also interested to purchase the same item, maybe same item. Now your same item he is purchasing means again this web browser connect to the where web server and a web server connect to the where database server. Here again same order number or different order number. Very good. Different order number automatically generated. Okay. But item name is same and price also same based on the offers and all that is different. Okay, now yes here, but how it will be generated? What another order number? Okay, for order ID it will be generated another number. Now again another customer also, so now interested same website they are opening only. He is also interested to purchase same item. Then this web browser connect to the where web server connect to the where this database server. Here another order number, it will same item he is purchasing also another order number is generated. These order numbers are how it will be generated means here they are writing what database programmers are there. Here they are recruiting what programmers in a company side, Oracle programmer, SQL server programmer. These are programmers are there. Developers are there, for example, Oracle developer. These developers are maintain a what a database. Some coding they are writing only, maintain database only in a company side. And now here big codings they are not writing, okay, based on the type of situation. And now here, observe here, these automatically generate anybody, okay, so these values are entering a what here means these values are not entering also automatically generate a what that values only. Duplicate data not there. Okay, how it is possible means these database developers are writing a what coding auto increment is a concept is there. Maybe some Java developers also well-known persons that coding. Auto increment is concept is there generating a what primary key values automatically. How means compulsory database knowledge is required, otherwise impossible to handle. Okay, that's why always everywhere also some of database programmers are required in a web-based applications, Windows-based applications, any type of applications also nowadays. Suppose so many fellows are on nowadays online transactions here, bank OTP validations. Suppose here we are whenever anything we are registering means again phone OTP validation is there or not, that how it is possible? Big open validations. Okay, so those all the things are okay, so now handled through the way not only olden days railway reservation for so now airlines reservation, these type of examples outdated. Those all the things everyone knows. And now these are nowadays okay, so now your applications are using in a way these database programmers are very, very, very important. Okay, and now check it out. Concentrate here, observe it here. Suppose these are demo classes, don't write it. Okay, just small idea. Now, why these relational databases so easy? Very easy only. And now here actually, so now one concept is there. What is that one means? So before we are going to start, so now here are these type of concepts, some terminology better. Okay, slowly, small thing I'm telling only. Don't write it in it. Suppose Oracle is a database product. They are telling only. Okay, fine. Suppose these are relational data model products. Okay, fine. That is later we are familiar. Now check it out. Actually, these type of databases, either Oracle you are loading, SQL Server loading, DB2 loading, any these type of softwares we are loading means these are two types of structures are there. Every database is a place where we can store structured collection of data. Okay, fine. Every database, don't write it anything, just observe here. Every database having two types of structures. Two types of structures are there. Two types of structures. At least this one you must familiar. Okay, why? Because these two data models, all the things I'm telling, just a moment. Every database having a two types of structures are there. What is those structures means? Don't write it only. One is logical structure. Logical, what is the logical structure? Today I will tell you logical structure. Another one is physical structure. Logical structure. Another one is what? Physical structure. Okay, observe it here. Don't write it. Anybody having idea? Any technical programmers are there in our class only? What is logical structure or what is physical structure at least? Otherwise, you are a first time newcomer. Maybe now here, yes, which structure you are working? For example, you are a Java programmer, you are a Python programmer. Maybe you are also a little bit of knowledge is required in a database or not. Okay, so now here, yes, but at least you are working in a which structure. I'm a PL SQL developer, means I am working in a which structure. Some database administrator working in a which structure. That's important. Which structure? Very good. Two persons are telling only, yes, Murali sir, I am working in a where, we are working in a where, logical structure, they are telling. Really correct, 100% correct. Yes, very good. We are all working in a where logical structure. I am PLSQL developer, I also am working in a logical structure. You are a SQL developer, also you are working in a logical structure. You are a Java, Python, .NET, okay, so now these type of programmers also working in a logical structure. Physical structure, which persons are working, database administrators are there, DBA persons are there, don't worry. Okay, you are telling correct answer. But what is that logical structure? Very, very important. What is that logical structure? Means nothing is there. Observe it here, concentrate here. Don't read it, observe it here. In these type of databases, in a future, these databases, we are learning relational databases. Up to now, I'm not telling anything, just observe it here. What is that vocation of your logical structure? Means nothing is there. Nothing is there. For example, now here, yes, here. Suppose this is a database is there. For example, I am creating a table. Don't write it here. Create table. Table name. New batch. New one is a table I am creating. For example, okay, fine. This is a table I'm creating in my project. Okay, fine. Slowly observe it here. This is a table I'm creating. Practically, what is table and all these things later. Okay. I'm creating a what table? New one is a table I'm creating. Okay, fine. What is the table name? New one is a table I'm creating really in a database. Okay, fine. Now check it out. I'm exit from the database. Okay. Okay, table is created. Now I'm interested to view where is my table is there in my system. Suppose here I'm opening a what? C drive, D drive like this. Because within a C drive, my Oracle is available. Okay, fine. So now here I'm checking only Oracle. Yes, here in a C drive only I'm checking in a Oracle. Here, new one is a table is visible or not visible? C drive. Within a C drive, my Oracle is there. Here, new one is a table is visible or not visible? Very good. So many fellows are carefully they are observing only, but everyone telling what? Murali sir, it is not visible. Very good, correct. A structure which is not visible in operating system in OS, that is called logical structure. Very, very, very important. That's why you are creating a what? Yes, here tables. You are creating a what? Some of your procedures, functions, triggers, packages, views, sequences, synonyms, indexes. These are all the things not visible in a way in a C drive or D drive where your database is installing also. It is not visible. A structure which is not visible in operating system, that is called what? A logical structure. A structure which is not visible in operating system, either Linux, either Unix, either okay, so now Windows, anything also. And now here a structure which is a database structure which is not visible in operating system, that is called what? Logical structure. Very good. But that is visible in a where? Database level. Okay, yes. Okay, but in operating system, it is not visible. Okay, na? Yes, it is not visible in operating system. That is called a logical structure. How much easy? There's so many fellows doesn't have an idea. But it is visible in a where? In your okay, database. Database level, it is visible. And now here a database level, it is visible only. In a way, the database level, it is visible, but only it is not visible in a way. It is not visible in a where? Operating system side. Database level, table format only visible. Okay, na? Yes, here. That's why a structure, don't edit, observe it here. A structure which is not visible in operating system, that is called logical structure. Not visible in OS only, that is called logical structure. In this logical structure of the database only, I am also, you are also working, because developers are working only. Okay, fine. That is visible in a way, database level. But what is physical structure? Why I am telling suddenly logical physical means a database definition, this base only it will be there. Next step. Okay, observe it. Actually, what is physical structure means? Is opposite only. A structure which is what? Visible in operating system. Yes, in a structure which is visible in operating system, that is called what? Physical structure. In this structure, which persons are working means DBA, database administrator. In a company side, database administrating as a job is there. For database administrators, so many fellows are learning a course DBA, Oracle DBA, SQL Server DBA, MySQL DBA is there. No, yes, here that is those persons only handling a what? Physical structure. Database administrator, company side only. Okay, they are maintaining a database, backup, recovery, startup database, mount database, unmount database. So many things are there. Okay, fine. They are handling table spaces, segments, extents. Also, different concepts are there. Don't they? Now here, but unfortunately, what is that structure? A structure which is visible in operating system, that is called physical structure. Suppose you are installing a what? Oracle software, for example, that is a database software. But whenever we are installing a what? Database software, automatically some files are really physically created in a hard disk, really created. Now here, suppose you are installing anything also, that some files are created in an operating system. Suppose here these files, observe here, yes, files are there, .dbf files, data files, control files, read-o-log files are there. This structure is called physical structure, a structure which is visible in an operating system. But this structure you are not dealing. Developers are dealing only logical structure. This structure is a what? Physical structure only, yes, handled by senior most database administrators, DBA persons. Suppose I am learning a what course? DBA course, for example. Don't write it, don't. Just I am learning a course Oracle DBA. For example, I am attending an interview. Suppose here I am attending an interview. My interviewer asking, so now, Murali, what is database? They're asking. Simple question. Okay. Nobody asking those type of things, but just roughly, what is a database? They're asking. For example, whenever what is a database they're asking means I'm telling you what like this. In a book I'm referring means so many others are writing. So now database is a place where we can store structured collection of data. Yes, they're writing only. Yesterday I'm telling you, structured collection of interrelated data or structured collection of data only. I am telling means immediately rejected. Immediately. My entry is gone. Why? Because this is okay. This is a what? A logical structure side. Developers only telling only this one. So now structured collection of data means only developer side. That is a logical structure. This is. I am a developer. I don't have an idea of physical structure. That's why developer point of view, so much of knowledge is not there in admin level. That's why they're telling a what? Oh, database means some place only. It is a structured collection of data. Yes, this is structured collection of data. That is simple. That is a what? Is a place structured collection of data means here numbers are there, here strings are there, rows and columns are there. This is structured collection of data. This is logical structure side. We are telling only developer, Java, .NET, Python, Oracle developers, not a problem. But administrator attending a what interview means how they are telling a what, that is a logical side only. That's why, yes, in this case, this person telling what is a database means it is a place whenever we are installing a Oracle or SQL Server DB2 software, a place is reserved only in a hard disk. In this one, that place, only collection of files are available, collection of files. That collection of physical files are nothing but a what database they are telling. Suppose they are Oracle DBA programmer means it is nothing but a what? A collection of data files, comma. So now here, yes, here control files. So now here, yes, .ctl files, comma. So now here redo log files they are telling only. That is original. That's why now here physical structure side they are telling only. Then only they are interested asking what is these files, how it is related to logical, how it is related to where you are an environment only, which project you are working only, how you are maintaining that one. Those all the things they are learning. So they're asking, sorry. Now here, yes, that's why always observe here, concentrate here. Some terminology also most powerful. So now here Oracle or SQL Server or DB2, Sybase, these are relational databases. Don't afraid relational databases. What is that one? I will tell you. Don't worry. Now here, yes, that relational databases stores our data in a structured format. Okay, logically in a structured format, structured collection of data only. But if you want to operate a what that databases, 3 languages we are using in a where Oracle side. Okay, na? Yeah. But unfortunately, now every database, either Oracle or SQL Server or DB2, having 2 types of structures. One is logical, another one is what? Physical structure. What is a logical structure? A structure which is not visible in operating system. That is a logical structure. That is we are working developers only. Physical structure means okay, which is visible in a where operating system. That is called physical structure. Physical structure is only handled by database administrator only. Okay. Why these unnecessary things I'm telling you what first means reason is there. Now check it out. Actually, now slowly observe here. Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, MySQL, these are all products are implemented, different companies based on one model is there that is called a relational data model, 1970 onwards. What is that a data model means? Nothing is there. Don't write it here. Terminology I want. Data model. What is data model means? How data is represented. Don't write it. How data is represented at a logical structure of the database. Logical, not a physical. At a logical structure of the database. Observe here. Always data model space how data is represented, only represented at a logical structure of the database. Logical structure of the database. That is nothing but a what? Data model in a database software side. Terminology, don't worry. Now here, how data is represented at a logical structure of the database, not a physical structure, logical structure of the database. But unfortunately, in a relational data model means data is represented in the format of which one? Matrix. That is a rows and columns only. Now here, that is 1970 onwards, the data is represented in a very logical structure side. Yes, here rows and columns. But olden days, 1960 to 1970, those so now here, yes, softwares are not there. IMS, IDMS software, that is in a hierarchical network data model is there. That is totally different. That's why always what is a relational data model means in a 1970 onwards, yes, in a way, okay, this model is introduced by EF card only. He is only now here is mathematician. That's why he decided the what data is represented at a logical structure in the format of matrix, because maybe he is a mathematician. That's why he decided to represent the what data easy format wise matrix format. That is nothing but a nowadays table or not. Yes, here. Rows and columns only. That's why always Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, these type of softwares are implemented based on a what? Which data model? Relational data model. What is relational data model? How data is represented at so logical structure of the database is specified by the data model, but relational means table format only. Data is represented in a where? In a database structured format only. Okay, 1970 onwards, this data model is there. Why I'm telling this data model means why these data model products are so easy? That is a question mark. Why relational data model products are so easy? Everyone interested to learn what in a, I am suppose non-technical person. I don't know any software knowledge also, but I am learning what in Oracle or SQL Server DB2 in a MySQL relational data model product. Very easy. Why means reason is there. What is the reason behind that one means? Concentrate here. Every relational model. Okay, so now relational data model mainly consists of a what? Only three components are there. Total relational data model. Okay, she is designing EF code only. Only three components they're telling only. Only three main components are there. Those three components you already finished. That much of easy. That's why these are very easy. What is that first component means? Don't write it, just observe here, introduction purpose. And now here, collection of, observe here, collection of database objects are there. Collection of database objects are available. In every relational data model also, collection of database objects are there. What is that database objects means? For example, now check it out. Suppose I am learning Oracle, you are learning SQL Server, another fellow is learning of MySQL, for example. In these all softwares, all these relational data model products also, same concepts are there, you are observing or not. Suppose Oracle. So now here, yes, here SQL Server. And now here, yes, MySQL, DB2, these are all relational data model products. Now suppose in this Oracle, which database objects are there? Table is available. Here also table is there. Here also table is available. How much easy? There is a database object. Here view is there some concept. What is view means? I will tell you in a technically in a future. Okay, view like this. Here also available. Again, synonym is there. Here also that is an object. Some purpose they are using synonym. Here also synonym is there. Observe here. All the things are same or not? Here index is a database object is there. Here also index is a database object. Index is a what? A database object only. That's why yes, a table, views, a synonym, index, procedure, function, trigger, package like this. What is that objects? What is the purpose? How we are using? You have an idea, means enough. That's why any relational data model occasion of your products also occasion easily we are handling only what is what you have an idea. That's why always collection of DB objects are there, database objects are there. Example tables, views, sequences, synonyms. So many things are there. Okay, fine. These are objects. Okay, fine. Not only that one, why these relational data model products are easy means second point is very easy only. Now these relational data model products having a what? Same like a Java, same like a .NET, same like a what? Python. Set of operators are there, operators. Now which operators are there in every database also here? Not a normal less than, greater than, less than or equal to like this. That is everyone knows. But some special operators are there. Exist is operator, in is operator. between is an operator, is null is an operator. Okay, so now here, yes, here like is an operator. These are common operators only. All is an operator, any is an operator, some is an operator. These are so many different operators are there. Every relational data model. Yes, through these operators, we are handling a what a very easy way. Yes, here relational data model products. Not only these two, but also another component is there that is important actually. Relational data model products, anybody learning means that is most powerful. What is that one means? Actually, these relational data model products works based on set of integrity rules. These rules only very important. So many fellows are these rules, they doesn't have an idea. That's a failure in a way in a company side, and also projects handling, and also outside, okay, interview side also. These rules we are learning. How much powerful, what is that one means, I will tell you. This is we are focusing on now here, yes. That much of powerful. That's why always what is the rules, how we are handling only all the important rules. Also one of these okay, regularly okay, some user rules I'm telling you. Those are all the things I'm telling you next one. Okay na? Yes, yeah, tomorrow some rules, something only I'm telling only, and now that is enough only demo classes. Then we are starting a what actual sessions. Okay, yes, here. Tomorrow I will tell you, remind small things only. Don't write it these all the things. Just a terminology purpose. Okay, na? Tomorrow I will tell you. Okay, but this batch is a what add-on batch only 8 to 9. Okay, some batch is going on. In that batch only, this batch is clubbing only. Okay, na? That's why timing is important. You have to ask management only what is the timing. It means 8 to 9. This one. Okay, these are demo and some backup sessions we are telling in aware in this batch. Okay, time also important. Now we are joining and again we are changing the time is difficult. You are comfortable in a which time that batch only you are joining. Okay, yeah. Okay, na? Tomorrow I will tell you, remind. Thank you. 1 or 2 days at least demos normal. Then we are started. Tomorrow maybe we are started. I will tell you first onwards. Don't worry. Not one by one. I'm telling easily understand. Coding is not required. These are commands are there. PL SQL means a little bit of coding. In that stage, you are understandable. Don't worry. SQL means coding is not there. Commands, small commands. But remembering commands in means practice is required. But easy. I will tell you those all. Okay, yeah. Meanwhile, you don't have any idea means just YouTubes are there. No, in that one you have to observe it. What is those databases? All the things. Just you have to type it means some knowledge. Okay, now this class is 8 to 9 only in a daily. Okay, yes, in a future. Dynamic SQL we are taking only basic. Okay, not a depth one. Okay? SQL PL SQL we are telling a depth. Dynamic SQL 3 or 4 classes. That's all. That is enough for where PL SQL programmer side. $8 to 9 AM. Okay. This batch timing is 8 to 9 only. Okay, in a future that we are clubbing. Duration more than 4 months. Duration more than 4 months. Okay. There is no chance. Maybe parallelly you are attending also that much of time. So much of time we are spending. There is no way. Reducing duration, those type of things are not there in my classes. Why? Because so much of subject is there. You are understandable. So many batches are there. You are only attending alternative anything is there. Tomorrow also 11 o'clock. Okay, na? Yes, up to morning 7 onwards, up to this 12 also. I have classes are there. Okay. Regular classes we are learning in a which platform. They're asking which platform means Oracle platform. Don't worry. Which tool is there? What is the SQL Plus stored? SQL developer. The diagrams I'm drawing only. Okay, don't worry. You are understand. Tomorrow we'll continue on tomorrow. Okay, yeah. Thank you.